Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your phone or laptop ready. Open the Google app or Chrome and grant microphone access. Then hum, whistle, or play the short audio snippet clearly for about 5 to 15 seconds so Google can analyze the pattern. Speak a short phrase like, "What song is this?" once you start to prompt search mode. Once done, watch the visual waveform or listening indicator. That tells you Google captured sound and will attempt a match. Next, you use Google's specialized tools. Tap the mic icon, then choose Search a Song or Humming option. If humming fails, try uploading a short recorded clip or playing the track from another device. Different inputs increase match chances. Make sure to listen for the indicator and repeat humming once more if the first take is noisy. You can also add lyrics or estimated artist name to narrow results. This helps Google weigh matches more accurately and reduces false positives. Finally, you confirm the match by listening to the preview and checking title, artist, and album info before saving or adding to a playlist. If results are ambiguous, hum a cleaner, longer phrase focusing on the chorus or distinctive melody. That improves accuracy. If nothing works, restart the app, update Google to the latest version, or try alternative apps with humming recognition. One tip: background noise kills matches. Move to a quieter spot and try again for the best outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.